Good day. My name is Antoniette Cabading, wife of James Cabading, mother of two bubbly boys, Lax and Lucian, and the daughter of Harijadi and Herberta. Before I encountered Papa God, I find myself anchored on things that are worldly. I found my identity on people, status, how people treat me, achievements, money, and wealth. Feeling ko kasi, successful ka kung maganda ang earnings mo. I used to also be a negative person. Growing up kasi, I am afraid to be happy. Kasi growing up, I feel like after I feel happiness, there will come disasters. I also used to seek validation from my parents, especially my father. I need to prove to them my worth. Feel ko ako ang sumalo kung ano man ang pangarap niya para sa aming magkakapatid. And whenever I feel down, even prayed according to my old faith religiously, mas madalas pa rin na mamukmok and found courage sa quotable quotes. There is this feeling that I was a failure, which led me to almost take my own life. I thought giving up was the way to end my miserable life. Then I got married. I thought okay ang marriage namin with my husband, while being an empowered woman, striving to balance everything out. Longing for affirmation, I felt the gap between me and my husband, until our marriage was almost broken when I discovered my husband's infidelity. I felt my world and my worth were shattered. My heart was so filled with hatred and the feeling of taking revenge. Sabi ko, Lord, nalampasan ko na dati yung gusto ko magpakamatay. Please save me again. I was down on my knees and all I could say was, help me. Then a friend invited me to a life group. There I found hope and realized that Jesus died for me on the cross. And because of that, I decided to join Restoration Weekend. One of the topics in the Restoration Weekend was about the revelation of the cross. It slowly renewed my mind. It was so powerful that when I saw Jesus was lashed 39 times, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na ayaw ko na magkasala. Jesus, I don't want to crucify you again. That I believe na all bad cycles sa life ko has all been paid by His blood. And I slowly believe I am now a new person because His blood already washed my past. Devotional is also the topic that struck me the most kasi it taught me to be intimate with Papa God. Instead sa quotable quotes, now may panghawakan na ako na word from the Bible to overcome every temptation in my journey to grow my faith in God. But my favorite parts sa devotion are promise and warning. God's promises give me living hope. And His warning keeps me not to fall to do sin again because of my anger. Dahil sa hatred ko, and at the same time, guarded na rin ang heart ko. In my brokenness, devotion helped me to continue to deepen my relationship with Papa God. That taught me to forgive the people that caused me pain. Even if my husband called me before kulto, I continue my journey with God. God's grace reminds me always to obey Him. Sabi niya in 1 John chapter 2 verse 4, whoever says, I know Him, but does not do what He commands is a liar, and the truth is not in that person. Ayaw ko po na tawagin ako ni Lord na liar. That's why I strive every day to keep my promise na hindi ako magkasala. Yung dating life that was empty, lost, seeking validation from people, from my husband, kahit busy sa work, pero parang kulang ang lahat, God changed it to a life that's overflowing with peace, love, and joy. Kung dati puno ng hatred at galit and blaming people, now God is giving me purpose. And that is to share Papa God's love to the people who haven't felt it. Kung dati busy production, join bazaar, now I learn to be fruitful as a submissive wife, and I also serve in Dynamic Kids as teacher. Restoration Weekend helped me to be more intimate with Papa God. I know Him as a kind, firm, intentional, and overflowing. And by His grace, my husband also attended Restoration Weekend. Now we are both growing in faith together with our kids. More than the material things, it's the growing faith and overflowing peace I have that I found in my new identity that I am a child of God. I encourage everyone to join Restoration Weekend and find joy in following Jesus. To God be the glory.